You develop a set of Power Platform order management canvas apps for a bakery business with 5 retail locations. Each location utilizes a tablet for inventory tracking and order fulfillment. You must implement specific modifications to the order management solution with minimal custom code and configuration. Match each requirement to the correct tool. The options are A. Power Automate Flow, B. Plugin, C. Logic App, D. New screen in an existing order canvas app, E. New canvas app, F. New logic app, G. Power Automate Flow triggered from an email button, H. Power Automate Flow triggered manually, I. Power Automate UI flow triggered from an email button. The requirements are: determine which store is closest to the order destination, estimate the time required to prepare an order and notify the customer, and send the newsletter by email to customers. Okay, let's go over each question together. The first requirement is determine which store is closest to the order destination. To answer this one, we need to use Power Automate Flow. Flows can be triggered with an API, including GPS location. For example, you could have a flow triggered when a user logs into an app and then track their location with GPS. In this case, the flow would calculate the distance to each store from the user's location and return the location closest to the user. Since Power Automate Flow can trigger with an API, this is the best choice for this requirement. The next requirement is estimate the time required to prepare an order and notify the customer. Well, in this case, the customer will need to receive a notification. The best choice here is New Canvas App. Canvas apps offer flexibility and allow you to create custom screens to request information, such as estimated cooking times or order placements. An app can also calculate the estimated cooking time based on timeframes in previous. This allows the customer to receive a notification with an estimated cooking time once their order is placed. Finally,
this question evaluates your ability to choose the most appropriate extension tool within the Power Platform ecosystem for specific business scenarios. You need to consider how automation, user interface modifications, and integration tools align with requirements for a retail bakery while keeping custom code and configuration to a minimum. In my view, the correct matches are a Power Automate Flow for determining the closest store, a new screen in an existing order canvas app for estimating preparation time and notifying the customer, and a Power Automate Flow for sending the newsletter by email.
Let's look at why these are correct. Row 0 requires finding the closest store, which is efficiently automated using a Power Automate Flow with geographic connectors, minimizing custom code. Row 1 requires staff to enter data and notify customers within the existing workflow, making a new screen in the current Canvas app ideal. Row 2 involves sending an email newsletter, which a Power Automate Flow handles well.
Other tools like plugins or logic apps are less suitable because they may introduce unnecessary complexity or require more custom development when native low-code features suffice. For your exam, always look for the solution that meets the requirement with the least amount of custom code and leverages the most native platform capability.